Sheba and I are here for a very special unboxing. Okay, so do you think she's actually into it today? Should I actually unbox something with her? Let's get the light on her. Sheba, are you into it today? God, there's Sheba here everywhere. All right, Sheba, let's do it. Me and you. Okay, so I've got a box from Big White ACEDC, and it has 3 different fidgets in it. Sheba. Okay. I need to put this up a little bit. There we go. All right, Sheba, you gotta pretend like you're interested. Okay, so there's the monkey brain or something, which is a tiny slider. And then there's God, this thing is taped. Then there's a titanium version of the OX by Clown Orange. And then there is the fortune cookie, which I saw on Kyle's channel, and it looked really good. Oh, and they gave me tape as a free gift. Big White ACEDC, they are really, they're good. There's this one guy, Asian guy, and he's got a great website. He always got stuff in stock. He always has promotions, and if you message him about anything, he'll try to find it or let you know when it's going to be in stock, and the communication's amazing. This was actually like a New Year's promotion. Sheba, hello. Pay attention. What the fuck? There should be 3 fidgets here. Is this the monkey one? This one I think is the monkey one. It's supposed to be like really, really tiny. Sheba, you need to wake up. Yep, here it is. So this one, it sits on here, I think. Look how small that is. But it also has like a lanyard, so you can use it as a, oh, there's more sticker here. You can use it as a necklace. So you always have a slider wherever you go. Sheba. Hey, hello. They're watching. God damn. Why can I not open it? Oh, here we go. Dude, Kyle got it and he said it was insanely small, and he was not kidding. What? Oh, wow. It is insanely small, but it... Dude, listen to that. Sheba. I wonder if it works with the lanyard. So here's the little lanyard hole. So how would you make it work with the lanyard hole? By the way, I am going to turn the camera around so you guys can get a better look, but... Oh, shit. What the hell? Oh, there's an accessory pack. Oh, right? There's a couple of clasps here. So, a screw and... Where does it... Oh. I don't know. Looks like it goes in here. Okay, but I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can get a better look. But let's see about this fortune cookie. Yep, this is the fortune cookie. So I am missing a fidget, but I do have another box right here, so I don't know what's in there. Sheba. Oh, there it is. Okay, so I just saw an unboxing today with this. Sheba. Hey, look. Ooh. I got it in titanium, and it's got this little plastic piece here that I know comes out pretty easy. But before I even do anything with it, I want to put the clasp on. Oh, it's in here. Oh shit. There's a lot of extras here. So the clasp, she is grouchy today. Look at her face. She's like, I am not in the mood. Okay, so it goes, screws in again. Oh, my cats are fighting. Sheba, will you hold this for a second? This is easier said than done. Let me take this thing off. When I send fidgets to Gavin, he always makes fun of me because there's cat hair everywhere. But you know what? This isn't just Sheba's room. This is also the room of all my cats. And I've got like... Oh God, my cat's sneezing. I've got like 8 cats. Oh shit, see that thing just fell off. Sheesh. So it just goes right here. It's just a thin plastic. Some people I think have tried to glue it in. Now I know you can put it in 2 different ways. This is in backwards. So there's a little lip here. But if you put it in regular, you can hold it by the little lanyard thing. Whoa, this is way better than I thought it was. Okay, let me turn the camera around. Yo, I gotta tell you, I've been slacking. The last you heard from me, I unboxed both of these, and then I'm like, let me turn it around. Or did I say that? I don't even remember. And then now it's been like a week or so. Could be more than a week. My hair's longer. I don't know what day it is anymore. Am I even in the same room? The cats tore down all my shit. And I've got an unboxing to do on top of this. So basically, I talked to Kyle and I did a couple of modifications on these. And we did a trade. I said how I didn't like that blue owl. So he traded me that for Okay, here we go. You take the shit out of this thing. Ooh. Okay, he was worried it wasn't gonna make it since he put it in just an envelope. Okay, here we go. So what's cool about the fortune cookie is that the top comes off and they sell individual tops. So you can get a completely different feel. So he had gotten this Coran one and he traded it to me for the owl. So I'm like, hell yeah, I hate the owl. I was gonna give it to my mother-in-law. Kind of wish that I had like a Zerk one of these, but that's okay. So this is titanium. Oh wait, yeah. God, it's crazy how different the feel is. Insane. Okay, I am gonna have to turn the camera on. Oh God, can I stack them? And I found out a couple things about this little guy. So let me actually turn the camera on. Okay, here we go. So first thing I want to talk about is the fortune cookie, and then we'll move on to the TiGo thing. So one of the problems with this thing is that it comes with this piece of Teflon, which sits right in there, and actually sits way in there. It sits in there way better than it is. And then you play with it with that in between, and the problem is it keeps coming off. That doesn't come off, this does. But I decided I'm gonna just put some tape on this bad boy because it just kept coming off. And so Big White EDC had there was this thing promotion that he had for the new year. Dude, cat. There's a cat. There's a cat. It was a promotion he had for the new year where he had some special tape. And it's this tape here. PTFE tape. But I'll put a link in the description, but look how thin that thing is, bro. I was like, thin? Why is it? But actually, it's perfect. I put it right on there, and it's solved the Teflon problem. That thing can go in the trash now. So I got, oh, and I fixed this, this part. So I unscrewed it, and I put it on both ends, and now it's perfect. Yeah, I had it wrong the other time. So there's two different ways to play with it. This is the titanium version. I like getting titanium because titanium is a very, very light metal. And I find sometimes lighter stuff works better when it comes to clickety clack fidgets. I know that was really dumb. Okay, so there's a bunch of ways you can play with this. Oh, the other reason why I like to have the tape is it's a lot louder. So when you just have this thing, and it sits a lot better when it doesn't have the tape on there. It's way more muted. Hear that? Okay, so now I'm gonna take that off. Now listen. So you might want to keep it on there to stay muted, but I like it way better this way. Okay, so the way it works is you've got 3 balls, and the balls are magnetic. Now it comes with extra balls, but I don't know where I put them. But there are extra balls that it comes with. Yeah, that's not it. Okay. But I think that the other balls would be redundant, because if you put all the balls in there, you're not going to be able to do the awesome moves that I'm showing you. So if you go all the way up and then let it go, it just swings down, and that's just the weight of it. It just swings around. If you go halfway, it stops, but then you can flick the bottom. Oops. Yeah. Which is another fun move. Some of the other things I've heard, you see these little nubs here? You can turn it around, which creates like a clicker, which is actually pretty loud. So, like I was saying, you can actually get different tops for this. So this is the Coran. It's like a plastic. They also have like a luminous one. Change the sound. You see that? It's a lot lighter. You can flick it a lot easier. Doesn't drop as fast. That's still pretty good. I gotta see how much this thing actually was. But I will say that I think I prefer the weight of the titanium one. It flicks around a little bit faster. But overall, this thing's hella fun. It's way better than I thought it was. So much playability. Up and down. Flick it, flick it. Have it go up and down. And you know, I've given this to a couple of non-fidget friends of mine, and they love it. It's just, I don't know why. It's so cool. So yeah, I would recommend it. I have it in the titanium one, and I love it. It's great. It's awesome. Not sure yet about this plastic piece, but we'll see. Can I do two at the same time? Oh God. Okay, but yeah, the tape from Big White, and don't use that. Use the tape. That's perfect. Okay, now, Monkey Mind. So this thing, the whole point of Monkey Mind is it's supposed to be able to be a necklace. So I thought to myself, I love wearable, you know, fidgets. You know, that would be cool as hell. Again, you run into the problem though, you know, will like the lanyard / necklace kind of thing ruin the playability, you know? And so I tried to put it in there. So essentially what you're given is, oh, there's some, it's all bound up because there's some extra, an extra screw and an extra couple magnets. But essentially what you're supposed to be able to do is, you see this right here? Well, let's zoom in on this baby. Okay, so you see that right there? This is supposed to go inside of here. Now, originally I unscrewed it and I put it in there, but the problem is that this thing comes loose. Hold on. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Hold on. Let me get a different one. Get a bit of a smaller one. Okay. So, right here, this thing pulls up. You see? And I was like, is that because I wound it through and everything, and I was like, it just pulled out. What the frick? Why? So you see? So you can actually just shove this freaking thing in there. Here. See? This is how it's supposed to sit in there, and then you just snap it back in there. And I can do that on both of them. And that's how the necklace is supposed to work. And I'm like, well, that sucks, because I'm going to end up, look. I said, I'm going to end up losing this damn thing. The hell? See? I'm going to have this like all cool and shit. I'm going to be using it, and then I'm going to lose it. Because it pulls apart. So then you can wind this through and have it as a necklace, right? But look how easy it is. So they came out with a fix for it. I guess a version 2 and all these different types of materials, which I'll put a link in the description. And I was like, well, isn't that some shit? Are they offering me anything because it's all effed up? No. Although I'm sure if I asked Big White, I'm sure he would give me something. But yeah, so the original one that came out was kind of flawed. But that being said, this thing is tiny. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna take all of this and put this back in here because I am not gonna use it as a necklace, even though that was the whole purpose of this sumbitch. Put it back away. Put it back away. Okay, now to give you an example of how freaking tiny it is, here's a wrapped Burke. Look how tiny that thing is. Okay, so you say, well, it's so tiny, is it even usable? Quite the contrary. It is very, very usable. And listen to the sound of the crunch of it. Shit. Listen. God. That is like crackling. It's like bacon. And not only that, it's... How many clicks? 1, 2. It's a 2-click. How the hell? You can do tricks with this little guy. Though I do wish it was a little bit bigger. This would be amazing if it was like a 3-click and it just went a little bit higher. I know Kyle, Kyle uses this in conjunction with like a mini Verk. So, would I recommend it? Would I recommend it? That's tough. You want a necklace? No. But the new style did come out, so maybe it's better. Did I screw up the magnets by opening it up? No. Is it great as a standalone slider? I don't know. I mean, the magnets are so strong, you could like use it like this also. It sounds great. I just wish it was a little bit bigger. If it was like this big, it would be insane. Like a 3-click. So if you are obsessed with tiny fidgets, yes. If you want a necklace, okay. Try looking into the new ones, maybe. This one does not work as a necklace. But you see, even though it's tiny, it still works really well as a slider. But no, I probably would not recommend it. I think I did screw up one of these magnets here. What is that? Is that like just a regular screwdriver? Do I even have it? Got a little screwdriver. You want to see what's inside this thing? I know you do. Let's do it. Originally, I opened this bad boy up. Woo! Yeah, I think I screwed it up by opening it up that way. I think it works a little bit better than what I'm representing. Yes, that's what I did. Right? Oh, shit. Wait, What am I doing? Okay, I think I might have to start completely over. It does come with extra magnets. Why? I don't know. Because maybe this one's the one that's screwed up. Oh God. I really need one of those like cork boards. Okay. So first things first. Get my little handy dandy here. I want to show you guys that this thing actually works a little bit better than I was representing. So this is why it's so crunchy. There's no O-rings or nothing. And see, that's how it's actually supposed to go in there. You see that little thing right there? Okay. Come on, baby. Am I screwing this up? I think I'm putting 2 in each one, or am I putting 1 in each one? This. Yeah, I think I'm putting, all right, you know what, hold on. That was a pain in the ass. All right. See? I mean, it's okay. It's better than a lot of the other full-size sliders. It's cool that it's tiny. I wish it was just a little bit bigger for what it is. Just to make it a little bit bigger. Just a little bit bigger. Why is this still popping out? I did screw it in all the way. Oh, I fucking know. Yeah. All right, well, I mean, it sounds really nice and I like it, but it's probably not worth your money. It wasn't that expensive anyway, but like 40 bucks or something. Make it a little bit bigger and better. Okay, thank you guys for watching.